YouTube tells us that 65.3% of the people who watch our content are not subscribed. So please subscribe.
Hi everyone, welcome to Healing Souls. So dear friends, in this video we are going to see your energies for the coming week. And this is a timeless video for all zodiac signs from Aries until Piscean. If your sun sign or moon sign is any of these signs, you can check this reading. And it is a timeless reading, so whenever you happen to click on this link from that particular day until a period of say 7 to 10 days, these energies are going to be applicable for you. And similarly for all of the other weekly readings that are available on our YouTube channel, you can click on any of them. If you are not certain that you know how my week is going to be and I've missed which number it is running, you can click on any of them as per your choice, and that particular your coming week is going to be predicted through that reading. Here also one more thing I want to clarify. I want to get to your knowledge that as I was about to start this reading, the ancestors have again connected, and there was a channel message from the ancestors this week, and the ancestors are saying that we want to give these readings this time for the coming weekend. They are saying that we are really connected with all of the persons on Healing Souls, and we are helping them manifest their desires into the material world. So we are here for all of our friends on Healing Souls, and they want us to acknowledge also that their ancestors are connected, deceased loved ones are connected with them, and somewhere they want us to give a bit of gratitude also. We should be thankful also to them that you know they are helping us in the manifestation of our desires. So first of all, I want to thank my ancestors and the ancestors and the deceased loved ones from the higher realms above 5D of all of my friends on Healing Souls for connecting here to give the messages for all the zodiac sign. And secondly, I also want to thank all of my friends on Healing Souls who have subscribed to our channel. You mean a lot to us. Even one comment from you, a like from you boosts us a lot. So thank you very much, dear friends. So now we are going to begin the reading with the first zodiac sign, that is the zodiac sign of Aries, and let us see how the coming week is going to be for our Arian friends. So I call upon the ancestors. Okay. Okay, so in the past, in the last week, I feel that you know for my Aries friends there was a person who was in a position of authority. Can be your father, your husband, your brother, or your boss, who gave you an opportunity of some kind of an offer, who was giving you some kind of offer or healing, but you did not have any gratitude towards them, and you did not feel any happiness with this offer that came to you from this person. Okay, and now in this week, let us see. So the zodiac signs evident for the last week for you are Aries, Sagittarius and Leo. And so in the coming week, we are seeing that there is a lot of healing that is coming. Might be for you or might be this person around you. There is an offer of holiday for some of my friends, which is a wish fulfillment and manifestation of a certain desire for you. For my alien friends, for some of my other friends, there is an offer of healing that is coming to you for you or a person who is around you, who is suffering, who is admitted in the hospital. For them, there is a healer who is connecting, and this healer is going to rejuvenate their energies, and this healer, doctor, middle person is going to help you or the other person rejuvenate their energies. For some of my friends, in a love scenario, I feel that there is a situation wherein you have your offer of love for somebody who is wishing to stay in isolation because of might be Mercury retrograde period. They want to isolate, or might be they are not feeling well in their energies, however they want to rejuvenate their energies. But towards the weekend, there can be an interaction with them, and there can be a good gala time with them. Your energies are very, very emotional. Start of the week only, I see you feeling very emotional, very wise also. You're giving healings to people. You're giving you're being like a spiritual teacher. You're giving advices to people, or there can be another person around you who is Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. In the mid of the week, I see that either you or the other person wants to stay away for their mental peace. They want to stay away from a certain situation, and towards the end of the week, I see you feeling very charismatic, very attractive, and because you've taken the situation into your hand, and I see a wish fulfillment happening for you for say from Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. There is a wish fulfillment happening for you, and we have a card of happiness over here. This is very, very beautiful energy, dear friends. And then we have fair man. Yeah, I feel that in last week also there was a dealing with a fair man, and they say dealing or relationship with a man with blonde, gray or white hair. So this can be a man in another country, might be with whom you are dealing. If this is an offer, overseas offer, or a work offer that you are waiting for, this can manifest for you, or this can be related to a person who is older than you in age, in a work area or a health area, might be. Then they say do not be tempted to lower your standards. So if there is an offer that has come to you last week from an authoritative figure, the advice over here is to take a break and think about this offer, and then you propose them that I want this increase in the salary, or might be this is the way I want to proceed with this offer, and that eventually don't lower your standards with regard to this offer. That whatever discontent you have in this offer, you can let them know. Then assertiveness, exactly what I wanted to say, that in the mid of the week I see you disconnecting and taking some time off. Some of you are even meditating and looking for answers from within, and that is good. So they say stand up for your beliefs and say yes if you really want to. So this is very, very beautiful energy wherein the angels are, and this is a message from Mercury retrograde also. This is a lesson of Mercury that accept an offer only if you completely feel satisfied with it. So say yes to this offer only and only if you want to, else you can reject this offer, and there will be more offers of satisfaction coming towards you. But I feel that there can be some kind of a revision in this offer if you reject it, and you let them know with assertiveness that it is not as per my desire. So it's a beautiful wish fulfillment week for you. I wish you all the best. Lots of love and best wishes to you, my Arian friends. And let us move on to our next zodiac sign, that is the zodiac sign of Taurus. And let's see how the coming week is going to be for our Taurian friends. So there is some kind of a stressful situation around my Taurian friends. I feel that they are using their mind a lot. A lot of mind energy happening. They want us, oh my god, they're looking for a lot of clarity on a certain situation which is secretive, might be, or which is not clear to them at all, and they're really seeking that clarity in a relationship scenario also. It can be in a work scenario also, or might be on a certain court case, might be from a certain doctor or a lawyer. You are looking for a certain clarity on a situation, and you feel in the beginning of the week, I feel that you are feeling very much choked and suffocated, as if somebody has taken something from you, somebody is totally controlling your life, and you are being dominated by a person around you. Now this person can be a Libra, Gemini, Aquarius person, or a Leo, Sagittarius, Aries person that I see evidently, and you are feeling very much dominated by this person. So in a work scenario, I feel that you want absolute clarity or a contract, or there are some papers that you want clarity on those papers. Either you have filed some papers, or you are looking for a contract, you're wishing for a clarity from a senior person, can be your boss also. And so Monday, Tuesday, I feel you stuck in this situation. Wednesday, Thursday also, I feel that there is a lot of negative thinking. You're very worried with regard to this situation. And towards the weekend also, I feel that you're trying to get control of the situation. And I feel it is all of the week the energy is overall dominating energy. It can be your own energy also, or it can be the energy of your partner or a senior person around you, of can be a male. Yeah, that's what they're telling me, that it can be your father, your father-in-law, your senior in your company, somebody. For some of my friends, this is with regard to the health of a parent, and so they are very much stressed with regard to the health of a parent. For some, it is with regard to some opportunity of abundance, or might be childbirth, some project that you want to give birth to, something new that you want to inculcate, some creativity that you want to inculcate in your life. And for some people, this is with regard to the health, might be, or a connection with their partner or their mother or their parents, something of the sorts. Love, yeah. So in a love scenario, I feel that you are feeling very much stressed around the situation around your partner. You're feeling very dominated by your partner, and you need a clarity on a situation wherein you are spying on them, or might be you are in this suspicious energy about another woman, might be, or another male if you are a female. So love scenario is giving you a lot of stress. And then there is another card, dear friends, which says chair empty, someone is leaving your life. And that is also possible, that there is a scenario in a relationship that wherein you're feeling very stressed because your love partner is leaving your life, or it can be a feeling that you have that they might leave your life, or might be somebody in your office is leaving, and so you are wishing for some kind of a clarity whether you will get that post. And then we have another card over here, dear friends, which says practice, practice, practice. So if there is a concern with regard to a certain business project or a creative project that you want to do, so the angels say that practice, practice, practice. With daily practice, you can polish your skills and talents and increase your confidence. Yeah. So if there is a situation with regard to your work area wherein you are feeling underconfident, and there is an opportunity of upgrade, but you are feeling that it might not come to me, so the angels say that you should practice more. So dear friends, overall I will just say that rejuvenate your energies, take care of your health, give yourself love, and the energies might be better for you in the next week. Lots of love and best wishes. Bring your heart energy a bit in this week. Okay, moving on to our next zodiac sign, that is the zodiac sign of Gemini, and let's see how the coming week is going to be for our Gemini friends. Let's see. Coming week for the Gemini friends, as the messages from their ancestors. So I see your mother might be, or your wife, or a person who is motherly in nature, who is evident for the coming week. So let us see what are the other energies. So in the last week, I feel that there was a situation around your home or travel. Might be you were planning to travel to your parents or your children to meet your soulmate. For some of you, with regard to your love life, you wanted to meet your ex, something of the sorts. And for some of you, there was an offer of new job or a new passion which came from a person from past. That kind of an energy is there. You were in contact with somebody who is from your neighborhood or your childhood, your parents, your brothers, sisters, siblings, or your friends or your kids. Something of the sort was there. So in the beginning of the week, I feel that there is some kind of a judgment that is coming on you. Somebody is passing their judgments or their comments on you, which you are absolutely not liking it. Communication going wrong somewhere in the beginning of the week. That is what I feel. Now this communication can be with regard to okay, so all of the cards have come in reverse. So this is a very, very major week for my Gemini friends. Okay, and the concern is around your partner, your mother. And for some of my friends, I feel that there is something with regard to the health of their parent, which is absolutely unstable in the coming week, and that is their concern a lot. That is concerning them a lot. For others of my friends in a love relationship, if you were in relationship with a casual partner, this can be a time wherein you are absolutely disconnecting with them and you want to give up on this relationship because you were looking for stability. There is a situation of patience, looking at the situation with a different perspective. There is a situation of delays for some of my friends who were looking for travel. There is a situation of you being stuck on a certain kind of a so they say broken bridge, unsuccessful outcome to a problem. So that could be the energy, since all of the cards have come in reverse. I feel a lot of stuck energy, a lot of blockage. Wealth, might be you wanted to manifest wealth in a certain situation, and so there is a kind of a period of waiting this week for you. And they say, whom do you need to forgive? So I feel that when you forgive a certain person, this whole situation can turn around for you. They say as you release old anger or resentment, you will find that your wishes will come true. So there is a lot of old anger and resentment inside of you, and you need to take that healing of forgiveness and letting go from our YouTube channel. And if you know who is the person you have to forgive, then you please you have to forgive that person to release yourself of a very big blockage in your life, which is not helping you manifest success, wealth, abundance into your life. So in the start of the week, I feel that there can be an opportunity of manifestation of wealth that comes to you, but from the mid towards the end of the week, the energies are a bit haywire and there is a stuck situation. So there is no clarity that is coming in this situation, or might be for a very few of you there is something wrong that you did via your karma, and that might be you have to pay for a very few of you. So I wish you all the best, dear friends. Lots of love and best wishes to you. So now we are moving on to our next zodiac sign, and let's see how the coming week is going to be for our Cancerian friends. So let's see how the coming week is going to be for our Cancerian friends. Okay, let's see how the coming week is going to be for our Cancerian friends. So there is a okay, wow. Cards are just popping up. One more, let's see. They really want to jump out. Oh my god, it's a week of a big time satisfaction and wish fulfillment. So in the last week, I feel that you were doing a lot of hard work, and you're feeling drained in your mind, body and soul in the last week. And as well, I feel that there was an opportunity for some of my friends who an opportunity of escape from a situation that causes them a lot of burdens from a long time. If there was a situation of cheat or deception, or the situation was making them feel a lot of drain in their energy, that kind of a situation, in order to escape from that kind of a situation, they were given an offer in the last week, some kind of a communication with a senior person, might be who was Aries, Sagittarius, Leo, or Libra, Gemini, Aquarius person. That kind of a Aries person also, I feel energy was there in the last week. And in the coming week, anyhow, I feel that very beautiful energies for my Cancerian friends. First of all, I want to congratulate you, because after a very long period of a lot of struggle, as I can see here, mentally also you were struggling, and physically also you were struggling. Some of you were very much involved in the construction of property, might be, and some of you were involved in a relationship that was absolutely burdensome for you, and some of you have actually happened to end a very big chapter of your life with the help of healings, I must say, which was very burdensome for you. That main chapter of your life which was causing you a lot of stress, a lot of burden, that chapter is closing in the coming week, and there is a lot of wish fulfillment, freedom and stability that is coming for you in the coming week. Yes, so there is a closure, there is an ending, there is a dead end of a chapter. Now with regard to your relationship also, if you were in relationship with a partner who was cheating on you, you will be finally deciding to move away from them. In a work scenario, there is an opportunity of work which has come to you, which is very stable opportunity, one which is going to bring a lot of abundance of money also, a lot of growth, abundance, freedom, travel. For many of you, this is an opportunity of moving to another city, state or a country, and this is something you really wanted to manifest. It's a wish fulfillment which gives you a lot of soulful joy also. So this opportunity which has come to you is a wish fulfillment for you, and as well it is helping you end all your burdens, and it is helping you bring a lot of abundance and soulful joy into your life. So it's a very thoroughly beautiful week for you, and you should absolutely rejuvenate your energies and enjoy yourself. Might be some of you are going to travel in the coming week, and I feel that initial start of the week, again you're feeling very stable, secured, and there can be some kind of work that you're doing with regard to your property, your home, your possessions, that you're feeling very secured. Some of you might be purchasing or investing in properties, something of the sorts, or might be purchasing some gold coins or gold, something of the sorts, that you're feeling very stable and secured in your energy. In the start of the week, you feel very satisfied and secured with whatever you have. just in the mid of the week, say Tuesday and Wednesday, I feel that, just as the Mercury retrograde period ends, there is a blessing that comes to you, that is a wish fulfillment. Now this blessing can be with regard to you, or it can be with regard to your partner or your child. And this is a new beginning, absolute new beginning, something that you have not done before, and you're stepping into this with a lot of, you're taking a leap of faith. Somebody has given you this new offer, might be involving travel also for yourself or for your child, or anything. This is new for you, this is brand new for you. And towards, like, you're feeling so much joy, like, when this offer comes to you from Monday, Tuesday only, they are telling me. And I feel that, from Wednesday, that, Mercury retrograde, Mercury is going to bless you. And from Wednesday, Thursday, Saturday, Sunday, what a blissful time, you are really enjoying. And they're saying persevere and you will overcome problems. I feel that it is behind you. It is behind you now. But if there is an offer that is coming to you and you feel that, will I be able to perform it or not, just know that it will come to you. And oh my God, look at this. Crown, honor and respect will come to you. Oh my God, I have goosebumps all over. Oh my God. What a beautiful week for my Cancerian friends. And let me let me make them wear this crown also. Wow. So beautiful. Wow. What a week for you. Health is good. Wow. Debts paid off. The old weight and habit of debts is lifted from you and your life. Oh my God, this is very strong message, and I'm getting goosebumps all over. And I must let you know, in the start of this reading, I did say that the ancestors are connecting and your deceased loved ones are connecting, and they want people over here on Healing Souls to thank them for the manifestations, for bringing these desires down into material world. They are saying that it's we who are doing. And there was a message, there was a message last that I posted, a channel message from the ancestors. Must listen to that channel message. This card is not just, it's not what it looks on its face, dear friends. This is debts paid off, means that, your burdens, your karma from past life, many past lives or past of this life are ended now, dead end to that, and you're moving to a new life cycle, new life chapter, where there is going to be a lot of security, safety, abundance and soulful joy coming towards you. So a very, very beautiful, blissful week for you. Make the most of it. It is very rare that 7 to 10 days come to us with these beautiful energies, so make the most of it. Some of you can get a position of raise, or something financially is coming towards you, which is just a wish fulfillment. Definitely an end, a closure of a chapter, and a new one beginning for you. So beautiful energies for you. I wish you all the best, lots of love and best wishes. And we move on to our next zodiac sign. That is the zodiac sign of Leo, and let's see how the coming week is going to be for our Leo friends. Okay. Oh my God, what a beautiful week for my Leo friends. Oh my God. It's a week of wish fulfillment for them. What a beautiful week for my Leo friends. Oh my God. So my Leo friends in past were really from the love perspective, I want to see, because my Leo friends are, most of them are a lot involved in love situations. So okay. So the thing is that in the last week they were really stressed about, a wish fulfillment and love, or, their marriage happening, something they wanted to manifest the last week, something that would give them soulful joy. They were stressed about that situation, and somewhere you were enjoying also. In the coming week, oh God, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, should I take, or should I take Monday, Tuesday, all of them are good. So Monday, Tuesday, there is a wish fulfillment happening for you. And Wednesday, a new journey, a new relationship in the love Love scenario, there is a new relationship that is beginning with a partner. If there was a partner younger to you in age, there might be a manifestation of a new love and relationship happening. You're building on time together. You are building a relationship. Mid of the week, I see you communicating with them. There is a lot of passion, there is new beginning, there is happiness, there is appreciation that is coming towards you from this person. So a lot of balance, lot of patience in the coming week. Very beautiful energies, what to say. Very beautiful energies. So yeah, so then on Wednesday you are communicating with this partner who is younger to you, and they are also feeling a lot of passion towards you. There's a new beginning happening, and towards the weekend I see you building on a relationship. So it's very beautiful energy for you. And there's a wish fulfillment happening in this week, but you are being guided to stay a bit more patient for rebuilding this relationship. That's what they are saying. For others of my Leo friends, for some of you, there is a wish fulfillment that is happening from your child, a son. Maybe there is an opportunity of material manifestation that is happening in their life. Might be they are building a home, or they are building a good reputation in their company. Something of the sorts is happening which is bringing you a lot of happiness, satisfaction from your child. I feel for some of my Leo friends, I feel that there is an offer which has come to them of a new job. This is a slow moving job or manifestation, but it has a very positive result. It is going to give to you a lot of stability, is going to come to you. Some of you are going to travel also, so it is a week of appreciation, new offers coming to you, and offers of traveling, yeah, definitely. And very good manifestation of money happening for you. Something new is starting. It's a beautiful time frame, but divine timing is involved in this process. Wow. And there can be a news with regard to your child or your brother or somebody which gives you a lot of happiness. Then they say take care, enemies are working against you. So yeah, might be there are people who are your enemies. So whatever this new opportunity is coming for you, or might be for your child or your brother, do not talk about it to everybody. Keep it a bit more secretive, so that enemies are not being able to give their negative energies. And horseshoe, dear friends, good luck. So it is a week of good luck. Manifest your happiness in this week. New opportunities, good health is building for some people. Lot of appreciation, upgrade for you. But I feel that there is something new that you're about to start. And autumn, this is the time frame they want to give. If you want to travel or you want to manifest this new job and you're feeling it's not happening for you, this raise or this is going to come to you in the autumn months. That is September, October, November. That is the time frame. So they say in the fall season everything comes together and you reap wonderful harvest of abundance. Yeah, so in the fall season, whatever you are constructing, some of you are building homes also, constructing a reputation or completion of a project that has come to you, which is going to bring you financial abundance and good luck. Yeah, and that will be completing for you in the autumn season, or might be it starts for you in the autumn season. So I wish you all the best. Lots of love and best wishes for my Leo friends. Something good is about to start in their life. Wow, this is very beautiful. And let's move on to the next zodiac sign. That is the zodiac sign of Virgo, and let's see how the coming week is going to be for our Virgo friends. So my Virgo friends have their oh wow, what a some contract is coming. Wow, oh my god, beautiful. So I see the death card as something beautiful every time. So that I say because I see with the Ace of Wands over here. So I feel that, last week there was a communication that you had with somebody who's like a soul family for you. Might be your child, might be your parent, or might be your siblings, or somebody from past who brought an offer of work related, I feel, or an offer of something new that is about to start in their life or your life. This is the energy I feel in your last week, that something was ending and some new beginning was about to happen. And in the coming week there is going to be documentation, there is going to be an offer or some kind of an email exchange that is going to happen for a person who is Cancer, Scorpio, Piscean around you. And they will get an opportunity to or might be you are getting this offer for yourself, but if you were wishing to escape from a situation that was causing you a lot of cheating or stress, mental stress, so this offer for many of my friends, I feel it can be an offer of moving to another city, state, or a country, a manifestation of an offer of traveling abroad that you wanted to manifest for yourself. One such kind of an opportunity can come for yourself or a person around you, and that is manifesting. So in the beginning of the week only, I see you doing some kind of documentation work. It can be with regard to a business offer also, might be you wanted to end your work scenario, you want to start a business with somebody who can be your soulmate, might be from your past life or might be from the past of this life, your friends, your colleagues, your neighborhood, somebody. And that is manifesting for you. So initial start of the week, I see you doing some documentation work. Mid of the week, I see you being very wise, in complete control of your emotions, and you're giving spiritual guidance also to the people. Towards the end of the week, I feel that you want to escape from a certain situation, and then they say someone is unpredictable and insecure. So yeah, towards the end of the week, I feel that there is a person around you who is insecure and unpredictable. And in this whole scenario, I feel that you want to get away from a person who is unpredictable and insecure, and that opportunity is going to come to you or somebody around you. With the Boat card, again I feel that travel is involved in this whole process. And then they say money or property through an inheritance, winning and windfall. Wow, what a beautiful week for my Virgo friends, I'm loving it. Wow. So money, heredity money, yeah, with these documentation work, either property or money inheritance, windfall gains, or travel. For somebody, travel documents, something of the sorts is happening. And for some of my other friends, there is a business venture. So they say trust and follow through on a new business idea or career opportunity. So there is a new career opportunity for some of my friends. So I over here with the card of Six of Cups also, I will say that in the beginning of this reading I did say that your ancestors and your deceased loved ones are connecting with you, and this week they wanted to give the message. So here they want to clearly say that they are helping in the manifestation of this desire for you. For some of my friends, it is a manifestation of a property or a business, definitely, or a travel, or a new job, or a new relationship, a love relationship also you're manifesting. So something of the sorts. But most important for you is to have gratitude for your ancestors and have gratitude for your deceased loved ones. And there was a message, channeled message, which came from the ancestors, which I had posted a few days back. Please listen to that channel message that is meant for you. So I wish you all the best. A very, very beautiful week for you. Wish fulfillment might be happening for you. So I wish you all the best. Lots of love and best wishes to you, my Cancerian friends. And even your goddesses are connecting with you. Goddess Durga is connecting with you. So I wish you all the best. Lots of love and best wishes. So now let's move on to our next zodiac sign, that is the zodiac sign of Libra, and let's see how the coming week is going to be for our Libran friends. So let us see how the coming week is going to be. Okay, so they gave me 2 cards already. Let's see. So some of my Libran friends have been in isolation in the last week, or they might be, they were putting light on all aspects of their relationships, or either they were going through a spiritual awakening in the last week, and or some of them were healing a person who was unwell in their health. So in the coming week, I see that you are becoming a healer for somebody who is unwell, and I feel that you are giving healing to a person who is not well. And for some of my other friends, there is an offer of holiday which is coming for you, or travel that is coming for you, and this offer is coming to you from a person who is either Virgo, Gemini, Capricorn, or Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, or a Libra, Aquarius person. This offer is coming for you in the coming week. And so the energies in the coming week are that of a lot of blessing. So there is a spiritual upgrade happening for you in the coming week. There is a blessing that is coming over here. They want to highlight that the blessing is coming from an ancestor or a deceased loved one in heaven. So for some of my Libra friends, they were isolated from their partners, and they were putting light on the relationship that they had with their partners. And in the coming week, I feel that even if there is a situation of isolation, you or your partner not wishing to communicate with each other, but there is a blessing from your ancestors or your deceased loved ones which is coming to bring a commitment in this relationship. There is going to be a healing in this relationship. So in the start of the week till the mid of the week, I see you in control of your emotions. There is an offer of healing that is coming to you. Can be a literal offer of manifestation of a certain desire also, which is coming towards you. And from the mid towards the end of the week, I feel that you want to do your meditations, you want to take your healings, and you're in a mood of not communicating with many people, to stay in isolation and to stay away from worldly pressures. And there is a blessing that is coming towards you, but you want to keep it to yourself for a certain time frame. And this offer is going to manifest for you in the month of April. If you were planning for a travel or movement, that with regard to your home manifestation also, then there is a younger woman involved in this. Might be you're healing a younger woman, or there is a dealing that is there with a younger woman. So they say dealing or relationship with a younger woman. It is possible that you were in isolation with your partner because there was a kind of a situation created by this younger woman also. And then they have dog far away. A distant friend is thinking of you. Yes, I feel a distant friend has an offer for you in another city, state, or a country. So this is a beautiful energy, and they say perfect time. This is the right time for you to move forward. So if there was an opportunity of travel, movement, for a home manifestation or a business work manifestation that you were seeking in another city, state, or a country, that can manifest for you in the coming week. For some of my friends, the health of their father or a senior person in a family can be a concern in the coming week, and I feel that they can be admitted in a hospital, might be for their health care, something of the sorts. All in all, I can say it's a blessed week. Some of you are absolutely becoming spiritual healers, spiritual teachers, and some of you are getting an opportunity of getting connected with a certain big organization in the coming week. So it's a beautiful week for my Libra friends, a peaceful week for you. So enjoy yourself thoroughly well. Lots of love and best wishes to you, my Libra friends. Enjoy yourself. And let us move on to the next zodiac sign, that is the zodiac sign of Scorpio. And let's see how the coming week is going to be for our Scorpion friends. So let us see how the coming week. Oh my god, it's a beautiful week of victory, success, name, fame, recognition. And if you were taking that healing of, receiving more attention, affection and appreciation, that is coming towards you. So very very beautiful time frame for my Scorpion friends. And in the last week I feel that there was something that they were remorsing about. Might be there was a certain project that they had lost, or there was a loss in a family situation, or might be you were taking healings, and because of those healings there were you were remorsing, or you were feeling upset and you were crying also. You were putting light on a certain aspect of your life in the last week, as if something you had lost, and you were putting light on that aspect of your life, that what is why am I not being able to progress, or something of the sorts. And in the coming week your energies are very strong. Firstly, your health is very good. So might be you're doing good exercises, might be you're taking care of your health, something of the sorts is happening. It is very beautiful energies. So some kind of an upgrade. If you are in a working in a company, there is going to be an opportunity of upgrade, name, fame, recognition. If you are doing your own business, there can be a good business opportunity that comes to you from a person who is Leo, Sagittarius, Aries, mostly Aries person you are in contact with, I feel. Then they say involvement with the law. So if some of my Scorpion friends were fighting a case with regard to their marriage, or some kind of a property case, that you are going to win in the coming week. And they say beware of great pride. So this is beautiful. So my Scorpion friends are getting an opportunity of upgrade. Some of you are manifesting childbirth. Some of you are there is some kind of an a development in your child's life which is making you feel very very happy. There is an upgrade that is happening. Some of you are becoming fathers, moving into parenthood. Some of you are manifesting marriages, definitely. But just be aware of the great pride of the things that are manifesting for you. There can be an involvement of law in the coming week, but it is in your favor. The situation is in your favor. And here they want to tell me one thing, that is that you need to work on your mirror aspects. They say that there is a lot that you can achieve in this life, but there is a shadow work that you need to do, and that shadow work is to work on your ego and your pride. So whenever you achieve anything, just be more humble, become more humble. That's what they're telling me. So this is a week of a big destiny shift, and some projects or some good luck coming to you, manifesting in your life. And they say let go. I feel whatever you've lost in past, you need to let go. They say as you surrender the need to control. Yeah, exactly. I feel that you are more controlling in a situation, and just as you let go the control and become more go with the flow of the new things that are manifesting in your life. So they say as you surrender the need to control, your relaxed energies rapidly attract your desire. So there is a wish fulfillment, an attraction of a desire manifesting for you in the coming week. And be very grateful to your ancestors, your deceased loved ones in heaven, because this is being manifested. This stability, security, for some of you this is an upgrade in a business. For some of you this is an upgrade in your work area. For some of you it's a manifestation of a new home, or something big which brings you a lot of solidity and security and abundance into your life. And you should be thankful to your ancestors and deceased loved ones in heaven. So I wish you all the best. Very very beautiful energies for my Scorpion friends. Loving it for you. Lot of name, fame, recognition is coming for you. So very very good energies for you. So now let us move on to the next zodiac sign, that is the zodiac sign of Sagittarius after this. And let's see how the coming week is going to be for our Sagittarius friends. So let's see, dear angels, how the coming week is going to be for our Sagittarius friends. Okay, so let's see. Okay, let's see. So in the coming week, I feel, okay, let me see where you're coming from. My Sagittarius friends, there has been a quick communication in your life. Something has been communicated to you very clearly and very quickly in the past week, or a sudden news will come to you, and this news can come to you from a Libra, Gemini, Aquarius person, or a Leo sign person. So oh my god, there is a card that has fallen. So in the beginning of the week, I feel that you are absolutely in a very brilliant energy. You are feeling rejuvenated in your energy, and there is an offer, there is an opportunity of leadership that comes to you, and you're exercising well, you're in your power, you're feeling charismatic like Salman Khan, and really in your elements on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. I feel that there is a situation of backstabbing. Somebody can be there around you who is not truthful person, might be for some of you, and for some of you there is a situation wherein some of you can experience back pain. That's what, and then from Thursday, Friday, I feel that there is an offer of surprise, and surprise call, surprise offer comes to you, and towards the weekend there is an indecisive energy whether you should be taking this offer or not. That kind of I feel that there is a cycle closing in your life, and you are being asked to have patience in whatever new that you want to manifest, or whatever new chapter that is coming. A Sagittarius person in your reading is also evident, and Leo, Piscean, Cancer, Scorpio, and Libra, Gemini person is also evident for you in the reading. And dog barking, dear friends, advice from a friend is coming towards my Cancer, a Cancer person is very evident in your reading. So there is an advice coming to you from a friend. And hat, dear friends, beautiful. You will be playing a different role. A role of upgrade is coming towards you. There is an unexpected news that comes to you, which is a wish fulfillment for you. Or some of my friends, definitely marriage. This concerns marriage. So they say fairies join you in this celebrating wedded bliss. Wow. So this situation can be with regard to your marriage, or the manifestation of marriage for your child, or might be rejuvenation of love and marriage for already existing marriage. Some situation with regard to your family and marriage is connected with this. So it's a very, very beautiful time frame for you. I feel that it's a mixed energy. However, your heart chakra is healing. There is a news of something ending and something beginning, but there is a kind of, towards the weekend you are indecisive as to whether you should move forward with this person or this opportunity, or you should not move forward because it has come very, very quickly towards you. So kind of you are just and I feel towards the weekend you will take an advice from your friend also with regarding this. So all in all, I can say it's a balanced week. Lots of love and best wishes to my Sagittarian friends. Enjoy yourself in this week. Divine is connected with you. Great. Okay, so now let's move on to the next zodiac sign, that is the zodiac sign of Capricorn, and let's see how the coming week is going to be for our Capricorn friends. Okay, so for my Capricorn friends, it is a week of some kind of a loss that they are suffering. It is most likely in a love scenario with their soulmate. I feel that there has been a situation, some kind of an ego clash that they had with their lovers or their soulmate, and that is making them feel very low initially in their energies. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, I feel that you want to stay in isolation, or might be they want to stay in isolation. And for some of my friends, it is a week of a spiritual upgrade wherein you have been able to release the ego from your body. And initial start of the week for 3 days, I see you releasing, and there is a lot of shedding of tears also in your meditations or your healings. And towards the end of the week, I see you gaining a lot of spiritual wisdom. Some of you are absolutely becoming spiritual teachers and getting a lot of clarity. And some of you are taking some courses, upgrading yourself, learning something new. Towards the weekend, you are, either teaching or learning something new. So in this week, there is a guidance for you to remain, balance everything. Do not go in extremes. Eat vegetarian food, better for you to balance your energies. Don't do things in extreme. Don't speak in extreme in this week. For some of my friends, in their work scenario, I feel that, they have had a clash with their working team or people in their work area. They are not feeling harmony with them, and so might be you have left the job, or might be you are wishing to, you are remorsing on a certain situation that does not make you feel happy, and you would wish to remain isolated and see your other options towards the weekend. I feel for some of my friends, there is a loss of a family member, might be. So here they say, arrow, you are on the right path regarding some aspect of your life. This is very beautiful. I feel that some of you are becoming spiritual teachers and position of authority. Yeah, I feel that some of you are becoming spiritual teachers, and some of you, there was a situation of loss. You are leaving that situation behind you, and you are seeking more options which can bring you a position of authority. Some of you, there is a loss in the family which is bringing a position of authority towards you. Summer, they say everything that you're asking for becomes yours in the summertime. So this is a beautiful confirmation from your ancestors and your deceased loved ones in heaven, that whatever you wanted to manifest for yourself, just have patience. This position of authority, it is possible that you were wishing for a raise which did not come to you in the coming week, but this position of authority, because you're working hard, you're on the right path, comes to you in the summer months of year 2022. So lots of love and best wishes to our Capricorn friends. So let us move on to our next zodiac sign, that is the zodiac sign of Aquarius, and let's see how the coming week is going to be for our Aquarian friends. So dear angels, how the coming week is going to be for our Aquarian friends, and this is a timeless reading, so whenever you happen to click on this link, from that particular day until for a time span of say 7 to 10 days, and these energies are going to be applicable for you. So let us see how the coming week is going to be for our Aquarian friends. Okay, let us see. I feel that in the last week, might be you were spying around and you were suspicious on your partner or somebody that you seek in a relationship. You were spying on their accounts, you were checking their involvement with other people around, and I feel that you are in some of my friends with regard to the relationship. I feel that they spy, either they themselves are involved with somebody outside of marriage, outside of their partner. There is a third party situation wherein either you are cheating on your partner, or you doubt your partner cheating on you. That kind of a scenario was on your mind, during this whole of this Mercury retrograde time frame, and you wanted clarity. But to tell you the truth, in the coming week is very 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 beautiful for you. Start of the week only, Monday, Tuesday, you are feeling absolutely very very absolutely very very blissful, soulful joy with the 10 of cups card. You're enjoying, even if in a love relationship, you are very happy with your partner, married or single. You're communicating, you're having a happy gala time. In the mid of the week, I see you very organized, and there is a person who can be Aries, Sagittarius, Leo, or an Aquarius person who becomes very evident. Then from Wednesday, Thursday, I see a certain manifestation happening for you. You are like a magician, very charismatic. And towards the weekend also, I see the energies of lot of self-love, grounding. So it is a very very beautiful week for you. If you were suspicious about your partner, know that there is nothing of the sorts. Universal energies are working behind the scene, and a very good manifestation of stable relationship is heading towards you, because you've started working on your energies, started giving love to yourself. So this is a week, mostly I feel that it's a week for lovers, manifestation of your love and happy time for some of my Aquarian friends. And for some of my other friends who wished an opportunity to move away from a certain job business scenario, who were looking to make a sneaky move towards, I feel that there can be an offer that comes to you from an authoritative person, and there is a manifestation of some kind of an independent job opportunity, or some kind of an independent profession you can manifest for yourself. Yes, dear friends, it's a beautiful beautiful time frame, as in they say new job and career manifesting for you. Beautiful beautiful. As well, dear friends, recognition, reward for merit. It's a very very good time frame. Magic is manifesting, your manifestations are coming true. Lot of happiness, soulful joy, period of prosperity and abundance. Wow, amazing amazing, unbelievable energies around you, unbelievable energies around you. And some of you are getting a raise in your position, some of you are getting financial benefit in your work area, some of you are getting good opportunities of business, career, professional expansion. Your health is good, you're having get-togethers with your family, you're giving yourself time, you're manifesting happiness, contentment, joy. It is a time of big time manifestations in your life. I also wanted to pull one card. Let us see what's the guidance for our Aquarian friends. What is the guidance for our Aquarian friends? Love life. Hey, exactly what I was thinking. The basis of your question involves your romantic life, which is now changing for the better. It is very very beautiful energy. So if you were in isolation from a partner, there can be reconciliation. It's a very beautiful energy for you. I feel love is manifesting for you. Very good. Lots of love and best wishes to my Aquarian friends. Beautiful energies around you. Enjoy yourself thoroughly well. So now let's move on to our next zodiac sign, that is the zodiac sign of Pisces, and let's see how the coming week is going to be for our Piscean friends. What is the energy for our Piscean friends? So some kind of a new relationship or new passion is taking birth in your life. Oh wow, amazing. And with these two amazing cards, I don't even want to take any other cards. Very very beautiful time frame. So I feel that in the last week, some of my friends have felt heartbroken in a certain situation that they were reevaluating their situation with regard to a love situation. They were wishing for a reconciliation, and they were feeling as though they were backstabbed by their partners, and they were feeling a lot of heartache. Some kind of a heart chakra healing was taking place, and some of you actually might have gone through some kind of a heartbreak in the last week. But in the coming week, there is a new for some of my friends it can be a new proposal, absolutely, and for some other friends it can be a reignition of your relationship in which you were heartbroken. So there is a reconciliation and happy good times together, lot of passion, lot of physical intimacy for some of my friends from Monday until the mid of the week, and from mid of the week until the end of the week there is some kind of family get-togethers or friend get-together, absolute blissful time. You are absolutely either you are even going and meeting the family of your partner, something of the sorts. In a love relationship it can be a fixation of a marriage happening, something of the sorts. Is a very beautiful time frame, karmic rewards. And for some of my other friends in their job business areas, if you were wishing for a second chance, something that came into your life before but did not manifest for you at that time, it did not manifest for you because your heart chakra was not healed at that time, and that same opportunity comes to you again, and this time it is going to manifest for you, and it's an opportunity of a good financial benefit also. Some of you are manifesting a property for yourself, a home expansion, joint family. Some of you are manifesting new in this week. Some of you are making good money through your new profession or your new job. Something, an offer can come to you which brings a lot of money. Health is very good, health is rejuvenated. Financially it's a wonderful week with 10 of Pentacles, ultimate blissful. So finances are going to be good for you. Then they say you should accept valid criticism. So yeah, with friends, having tea coffee with them, if somebody tells you that you are unnecessarily stressed about certain situations that never manifest, you should be accepting of the valid criticism also. And here, dear friends, they say persevere and you will overcome problems. So if there have been some problems in last week, those are going to absolutely be ended with the end of Mercury retrograde. There are going to be reconciliations, there are going to be opportunities from past that are going to come to you. And the guidance message over here says, dear friends, whom do you need to forgive? So there is a blockage in your heart chakra wherein you have an unforgiveness kind of an energy stuck, might be because of your past incidences in your work area or your relationship area. You were betrayed by people, and that is why you are more suspicious and you doubt the situations and new opportunities coming towards you. So they say, so you need to take that healing of forgiveness and letting go and heart chakra healing. So they say, as you release old anger or resentment, you will find that your wishes will come true. This is beautiful, and you need to work on this, because might be you are doubting your partners or new opportunities coming towards you, and even manifestation of abundance happening for you, but you are doubtful because your heart chakra needs healing. So I wish you all the best. Good reading so far for many of our zodiac signs. So lots of love and best wishes to all our friends on Healing Souls. Enjoy yourself thoroughly well, and give your comments, dear friends, and subscribe onto our channel. Thank you so much.